Today we'll be making chicken salad. Ingredients for the salad: we have mayonnaise, red wine vinegar. Give it a few seconds, it's going to focus. There we go. Red wine vinegar, oyster sauce, cucumber. We also have our lettuce leaves, capsicum, leftover chicken. If you don't have leftover chicken, you can just boil raw chicken with spices. I'll show you how to do that in another video. Tomatoes and broccoli. We'll start with broccoli. First, you'll wash them, then cut them in bite sizes. Mine was already cut in bite sizes, so we'll just go ahead and wash. Once you've washed, you'll go ahead and steam them. You can boil them, but it's way more nutritious when you're steaming. This broccoli was a bit big for me, so I'll just go ahead and cut it into my preferred bite size. Careful not to burn yourself with the steam. That's the size I was looking for. We'll go ahead and cover that up and give it a few minutes. On to the chicken. First, take off the skin. Then go ahead and separate your meat from the bone. Next, go ahead and tear your meat into shreds. That way it's going to spread evenly to your salad. Once you're done, this is going to be the outcome. Go ahead and set that aside. Let's move on to the next. Dice your tomatoes in bite size like so, then set aside. If your cucumber is too large, use half of it. Peel off some areas of your cucumber, then cut into cube size. Pour your lettuce in a bowl, then add your veggies. Mix them up. Our salad is definitely coming together. Next, let's work on our steamed broccoli. To work on the steamed broccoli, we'll first go ahead and prepare the salad dressing. I'm using 2.5 teaspoons of mayonnaise. Then I'm eyeballing the oyster sauce. Next, I'll pour in my red wine vinegar. Once you've mixed and you find the consistency is still thick, go ahead and add red wine vinegar. Pour part of your dressing to your broccoli. The reason why we're doing this is to give it a nice taste. Mix to coat your broccoli with the dressing. Pour your broccoli to the rest of your veggies, then once again mix everything up. Next, pour your shredded chicken evenly to the plate. Finally, pour the rest of the dressing on top of your salad. And there you have it, guys. Your chicken salad is ready. Be sure to subscribe. I love you guys. Bye. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Till next time, bye guys.